Good morning, all of you. My name is Mahesh Lakshmikant Deshmukh, and my topic is spectroscopic characterization of binary polar liquid mixture containing sulfoxide, hydroxyl, and amine group under the guidance of Dr. B. N. Doesser, Department of Physics. In this topic, the study of molecular behavior of liquid, it is now the well-known branch of physics. A lot of theoretical and experimental work has been done on liquid and liquid mixture, but lot more work has yet to be done to verify these theories in order to get a complex knowledge of the forces holding together the assemblies of molecules. The study of dielectric dispersion and absorption of a pure and binary liquid mixture provides a very sensitive tool for detecting molecular interaction. It has been observed that the formation of complexes or presence of associated leads to relaxation time considerably higher than those for the uncomplexed species. The determination of molecular structure and properties of associated binary mixture could provide deep insight into the phenomenon of molecular interaction and are of great importance in biology and chemical physics. The study of dielectric relaxation would give information on the fluid structure when the interacting liquid mixtures are mixed together. There is a change in the properties of different geometric forms of the interacting molecules with the change in concentrating of the mixture. FTIR, Fraunhofer transform infrared spectroscopy, is a technique which is used to obtain an infrared spectrum of absorption, emission, photoconductivity or Raman scattering of a solid, liquid or gas. FTIR is very reliable for the characterization, identification and also quantification of the acquired data. FTIR is an analytical technique used to identify mainly organic and inorganic materials, which provides information about the chemical bonding and molecular structure of material. The FTIR spectrum is equivalent to the fingerprint of the material and can be compared with catalog. FTIR spectra used to identify the material. FTIR spectrometer is an instrument which acquires broadband NIR to FIR spectra. The previous source of information that may be used to observe the association between the internal structure of the system, nature of intermolecular interaction, and the physical properties of the solvent studies are reserve studies of thermodynamics properties of solution. The thermodynamic properties acquires are the essential basis for the development of empirical, semi-empirical or theoretical models employed to represent and predict the behavior of fluids. The density, refractive index and thermodynamic properties has been widely utilized to examine the different kinds of association, extent of molecular interaction and molecular packing in the solution. The study of thermodynamic properties had immense significance to acquire the information about the molecular interaction among the consist of the mixtures. For the appropriate design of industrial processes, the knowledge of thermodynamic properties is vital. For this reason, the collection of experimental data not only increases the empirical knowledge by creating a database, but it is also useful for better generalization of models of the solvent and binary systems. These are interesting challenges for chemists, physicists, engineers, biotechnologists, and may other researchers working in different fields. The composition and temperature dependence of the volumetric properties of multi-component liquid mixtures has proved to be useful indicator of the existence the significant effect resulting from intermolecular interactions. Liquid-liquid mixtures, due to their unusual behavior, have attracted considerable attention. My idea about that is to study of chemical and physical properties of binary mixture of polar liquids using spectroscopic techniques. Also, study the molecular interaction on the basis of chemical and physical properties, and conformational analysis of the hydrogen bond between the two systems. The working principle behind this are TDR, that is time domain reflectometer. The dielectric constant and relaxation time can be measured. Second is FTIR spectroscopy. The FTIR spectroscopy gives the variation of intensity and frequency of vibration. It gives the information of the band length, information of sample and arrangement of bonds, and its strengths. Number third is Borosil-Mansing service meter. It measures the measurement of surface tension, viscosity, interfacial tension, activation energy. And number 4 is UV visible spectroscopy. The UV visible spectroscopy gives the variation in intensity with the wavelength energy. From this we get the strong absorption wavelength of the material. 5 is Abbe refractometer. It measures the refractive indices of the liquid mixtures. Density meter, number 6 is it measurement the density of the liquid and liquid mixtures. Now, what are the outcomes from this? The determination of multimer structure and properties of polar associated liquid mixtures could provide the deeper insight into the phenomenon of molecular interaction and is of the great importance in biology and chemical physics. Useful information regarding the configuration of the multimer species can be derived from the alignment of the neighboring molecules. This vital information could be obtained from dielectric measurements by virtue of the influence of the local order and the overall dipole moments. The other methods could give only the circumambulatory information regarding the alignment of the neighboring molecules. The predominance of the dielectric studies and spectroscopy methods in the study of the structural properties and microdynamic and molecular interaction in binary polar liquid systems and their solutions in non-polar solvent emerges from the following characteristics approaches. A dielectric study visualizes the main spatial arrangement and the fluctuating motions of the electric charges, whereas the FTIR study can concern with the shift in vibration frequencies and changes in the absorption intensity of the characteristics chromophore. Thank you.